Good morning everyone. Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to explain chapter 3. Actually, I'm revising you some basic terms of MS PowerPoint, whatever we learned in chapter 3. So, let's start with how to open Microsoft PowerPoint. You just have to click on this PowerPoint, this start menu. Click on the start menu and then click on the all programs and then MS Office and then click on the Microsoft PowerPoint 2007 or whatever you have. Microsoft PowerPoint will open like this. These are the steps how to open Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. How to open a new presentation if you are already opened with a existing or a already created presentation. You have just to click on this. This is the office button. Can you see student? This is the office button at the topmost corner. Whenever you will click on it, जैसे ही आप इस पर क्लिक करेंगे आपके सामने ऑप्शंस आएंगे. ड्रॉप डाउन मेन्यू, इसे कहते हैं ड्रॉप डाउन मेन्यू. आपके सामने ड्रॉप डाउन मेन्यू आएगी. जब आपको नया आपको प्रेजेंटेशन ओपन करना है, यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन दिस न्यू ऑप्शन एंड न्यू प्रेजेंटेशन अ ब्लैंक. यू विल सेलेक्ट द ब्लैंक एंड क्लिक ऑन द क्रिएट. आपके सामने नई प्रेजेंटेशन ओपन हो जाएगी. इफ़ यू वॉन्ट टू ओपन एग्जिस्टिंग प्रेजेंटेशन, अगर आपको अपनी कोई पुरानी प्रेजेंटेशन ओपन करनी है तो अगेन आपको ऑफिस बटन में क्लिक करना है. गो ऑन द ऑफिस बटन एंड देन चूज द ऑप्शन ओपन. इट विल मूव टू यू इन ड्राइव्स. आपको ये ड्राइव्स में लेके जाएगा और आप अपनी किसी भी पुरानी प्रेजेंटेशन को जिस भी लोकेशन में है उसे लोकेट करके आप उसे ओपन कर सकते हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम ओपनिंग दिस प्रेजेंटेशन. It's only an example presentation. I think I made for explanation only how to enter the text in presentation. So student, this is how you can open the existing presentation. Now let me tell you, you can also create new presentation with the help of shortcut keys also. What you have to do to open shortcut keys, you have to just click on Control and N. A new presentation will created automatically. Can you see this? A new presentation is there. So this is a shortcut key to open a new presentation. If you want to open a existing presentation, the shortcut key is Control plus. Press the Control, hold the Control key, and then press the O. And then can you see this library will open, and you can select your file and then click on open button and existing presentation will open in front of you. So this is how you can open. To save your file, अगर आप अपनी फाइल को सेव करना चाहते हो, then you just have to click on Control and S to automatically save your file. This is a shortcut key for saving your file also. Now student, let me tell you about the slideshow. If you want to open a slideshow, you just have to click on the F5 functional key, and whenever you click on the F5 functional key, your slideshow will open automatically. Okay, now this is how you can be with. So student, this is how you can create, you can open slideshow with the help of F5 key. To come out from the slideshow presentation in a normal view, अगर आपको दोबारा वापस presentation में normal view में आना है, you just have to click on the escape. Can you see this escape button? Click on the escape button. Now you are in the normal view. So student, you learned about how to open slideshow with the help of a button, a functional key, that is F5. click on the F5 functional key. It will automatically moves you to the slideshow. Now for quitting the slideshow, अगर आपको slideshow से बाहर आना है, you have to just click on the escape button. Now you will be in your normal view presentation. We already learned about normal view, slide sorter view, node page view, node pane view, and the outline view. So student, these are the different type of views we learned in previous video also. Some more basic things, you know that presentation is a collection of slides. Is it clear to all of you? So these are the shortcut keys what I want to explain you. And one more thing I want to tell you student, whenever you are saving your presentation, जब भी आप अपनी presentation को save करते हैं तो presentation का जो extension होता है वो क्या होता है. Let me show you by this. Whenever you are saving your presentation, just like this, can you see this? This presentation is with the extension .pptx. Can you see this? This is .pptx. .pptx. So your presentation by default saved with the extension that is .pptx. So thank you student. Stay home, stay safe and keep doing your work.